This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Violence broke out during an Ambedkar Jayanti rally in Amelia village of Sindhi district, Madhya Pradesh. The situation turned tense when a group of masked people attacked a house. Around 50 attackers entered the home of a young man and started throwing stones and beating family members. 4 people from the same family and 2 police officers were injured in the incident. Some victims suffered serious head injuries. Later, the mob also attacked a police station, creating panic in the area. Police have started an investigation and security has been increased to control the situation. Hundreds of workers protested outside the Motherson company in Pithampur industrial area. Around 500 male and female employees gathered and started a strike. They accused the company management of unfair treatment and exploitation. Workers said they are made of work more than 8 hours daily without proper pay or benefits. They also claim that employees raising their voice are being removed from jobs. During the protest, there was a minor clash between workers and police. Authorities are trying to handle the situation and talks may happen to resolve the issue soon. Ambedkar Jayanti is being celebrated across Madhya Pradesh with great enthusiasm. The main event is taking place in Mau, the birthplace of B.R. Ambedkar. Thousands of people, including Buddhist monks and followers, have gathered to pay tribute. Slogans of Jai Bhim are echoing everywhere. Leaders and citizens are remembering his contribution to the constitution and social equality. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said Ambedkar ideas of unity, justice and equality are still important today. People are taking part in rallies, cultural programs and public meetings across the state. The Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission, also known as MPPSC, has announced new rules for the upcoming prelims exam on April 26th. Candidates must now reach the exam center 90 minutes before the start time. For the first time, negative marking will also be introduced in the exams. Officials say these changes are made to improve transparency and prevent unfair practices. Students are advised to carefully follow all new guidelines. The Commission hopes this rule will make the examination process more secure and fair for all candidates. 3 explosions were reported at a waste management company in Pithampur industrial area. The blast happened at the Ramki Enviro plant, which handled hazard waste. The sound of explosion was heard up to 1 kilometer away, creating fear among nearby villages. People in nearby villages said they felt a strong vibration and household items even fell from shelf. No major casualties have been reported so far, but the incident has raised serious safety concern. Authorities have reached the spot and started an investigation to find out the cause of the explosions. The census process will begin in Madhya Pradesh from May 1st. In Bhopal, more than 6,000 employees will take part in this work. The first phase will continue for 1 month, where officials will collect information about these houses and families. Around 33 types of detail will be recorded. The work will be done across 25 zones in the city. Officials have already completed training for the staff. The second phase of the census will take place next year. Authorities say this data will help in better planning and development of the state. The weather in Madhya Pradesh is getting hotter as temperature rise above 40 degrees Celsius in many areas. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a heat wave warning for April 16th and 17th. Clear sky and strong sunlight have increased the heat across the state. People are advised to stay indoors during peak afternoon hours and drink plenty of water. Doctors are warning about risks like dehydration and heat stroke. Authorities are also preparing to handle extreme weather conditions and ensure public safety during the heat wave.